Yes, previously we saw alkylation and dealkylation. It's time to see isomerization, which is another important reaction in the industry. And essentially the change of structure. You're not going to change the number of carbons or hydrogens. You're not going to do that. You are going to essentially rearrange the molecule into a more useful isomer or isomer that you can sell for a higher price. And the process is particularly useful for the octane rating on gasoline, petrol, or whatever you want to gas, I think, for Americans, as the branch alkenes burn more efficiently, of course, because they have more acids. So imagine having this. You have oxygen here, oxygen here, oxygen here, oxygen here. Is better than having oxygen here, here, and here, and here, and here. So this butane burns way less or faster or efficient as this methylpropane. There is more space for oxygen. You can have an oxygen here, oxygens right here. So in the same sum of oxygens, you will have a better rate of combustion. And this is very important, so your engine will work efficiently. So this is only one case, but as you can see, gasoline is a very important material, so that's why isomerization units are important. And this is a isomerization plant. Actually, there's only one. Many people think that isomerization occurs in many places, but the thing is that maybe you have isomerization in one tower and you need to separate all the impurities and then you need to add other materials. So that's why you actually have a lot of, let's say, equipment there. So it's not that complex, the process. The process is easy. The important thing is to eventually get a product that you can either use or ship or sell or all that. Once again, here you have your isomerization unit. You can have it as fancy, as complex as you want. These are very typical on refineries. You can actually go and check out if you really want to. Go check out right in Google Images isomerization units and you will find a lot of them. I think it's worth it because you're going to start to see which, if you have a petrochemical plant near your house or when you travel you see one, you can start analyzing and know which tower is it and what each tower does and why do they have it there and why not. You can even start wondering yourself why not working in a petrochemical plant, which is a joy. I love it. When I was there, I love having all the piping systems, etc. But anyways, guys, that was isomerization. We're going to continue in the next video with